G'day people, it's Matt here from Matt Carve. So I spent ages on this video and, well, I accidentally deleted most of them, all except for 3 clips. And this is the idea that I came up with. All 3 clips kind of include this burr here. And so I'm going to show you how to use this burr to put in sort of a real defined line under the eyelid and pupil. And also how I put in defined lines under those sun rays there, so you have a real nice demarcation between the sun ray and the background. Okay, so let's first have a look at the background and defining those lines. And essentially what we're looking at, if you look at the close-up on that burr, is the bottom of the burr has a sort of like going outwards, and that's going to go under the sun ray and sort of make a line under it, so it kind of defines it, and the little bit on the side will also help. And the circular area on the top of the burr also has a rough area, so you can actually use that part to sort of smooth out that background, what I'm doing there. And I'm just sort of like using circular motions and not pressing hard in one area, probably a really uniform kind of pressure, doing that line again, so just sort of defining all that area. So that's sort of like what it kind of looks like. So you've got the ones at the top and those 3 areas at the bottom, those are the ones I haven't done, sort of like by the mouth. I haven't done that one, so let's do that one now. So you can really see sort of the lips standing out a lot more now. So that looks quite nice now. So that is one way you can use that burr. And here is the other way. You've got to do this really, really lightly, and you've got to think of that edge on that burr, and you can sort of just go under the eyelid and on the pupil. And this one is actually a really good way of smoothing out pupils as well. So you can use that top of the burr as well. Like we did before, just going under that eyelid again. You've got to be really, really light-handed in this. And hey, thank you for watching. Sorry about it being so short, but you know, these things happen in life and you just got to make the best of what you have done. Okay, well, we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I won't delete any of those files. Rightio. Okay, bye.